Children's Workshop. I'm so glad you are here, and I am your Kumu Hula. Since we are going to become fast friends during the next few weeks, please call me either Auntie Lei or Kumu Lei. I am so excited to be sharing my Hawaiian culture through Hula and Olelo Hawai'i, and I look forward to our time together. If at any time you have questions or you want to show me your hula, please email me at the Children's Workshop. You can find the address below. During our 6 lessons, you will learn basic hula steps, a few Hawaiian words, and a hula that I promise will be fun to learn and will be a delight to share with your friends and families during the holiday season. How many of you love the holiday season like I do? I love this time of year, and Christmas is my absolute favorite. So, because of that, I will be teaching you one of my favorite mele. Here comes Santa in a red canoe. This mele kalikimaka was written a long time ago, 1957, by a Hawaiian musician named Johnny Kamano. As many of you know, Hawaii is a very warm and tropical place, and it doesn't often get cold here. In fact, when we are cold, it's maybe about 70 degrees outside. We are laid back, we are having fun, and we like the warm sun. Santa visits us by riding in a red canoe. On a warm and sunny day, or near Christmas time, we gather on the beaches and we wait to see if Santa will come. Let's review a few Hawaiian words that you heard today. The first being aloha. Aloha means a lot of things. Hello, goodbye, kindness. Aloha, especially for me, is love. Next, we learned the word hula. What is hula? Hula is the dance of the Hawaiian people. Hula tells a story. You can tell the story with your hands, the expressions on your faces, and with those beautiful smiles. We learned the word kumu. Kumu means teacher. Kumu hula, a teacher of hula. I am the kumu hula. I am your hula teacher. I mentioned Olelo Hawai'i. Olelo means language, speech, or words. Olelo Hawai'i is the language of the Hawaiian people. Mele is song. Mele kalikimaka is Christmas song. Please take the time this week to listen to Here Comes Santa in a Red Canoe. It will be so much more fun if you are familiar with the words for verse 1 coming into our next lesson. You can find the music link below. I'll see you next week. And be sure to bring your dancing feet, your hula hands, and your precious smiles. Oh, and don't forget, hula is not only for girls. Hula is for boys and girls. Haui ka papa. Class is finished for today. Aloha ahui ho. Goodbye until we meet again.